Hello friends, today I am making rice-coated jackfruit curry. I have already washed and chopped the jackfruit and prepped onion, garlic and green chilies and ground the onion garlic into a paste. Now heating oil in a pan, adding cloves and cumin seeds. In goes our onion garlic paste. Frying till the oil separates. Let this fry well till it turns golden and fragrant. This is what gives our sabji its rich base flavor. Now grinding the soaked rice with green chilies and whole coriander into a paste. This rice paste is the special twist that makes this jackfruit curry unique. Coating the jackfruit pieces with this rice paste, mixing well so every piece is covered nicely. Adding turmeric and salt as per your taste to our masala, mixing it in well. Now the rice coated jackfruit goes into the masala, mixing everything together so the flavor blend beautifully. Covering it now, letting it cook on low flame for a few minutes. So the jackfruit turns soft and soaks up all the masala. While this cooks, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves jackfruit. Drop a comment below and subscribe to Coriander Party Vlogs. And there it is. Our rice coated jackfruit curry is ready. Try this twist on Kathal Sabji and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.